What's that sound? What's that place? Hush, it's time for Daniela's secret bespoke special spots in the world. Look around, don't make a sound, because it's time for Daniela's secret bespoke special spots in the world. Hush.
Here are my secret bespoke special spots in the world. Shh. It's a secret. If you're in New York City and you need a proper Cologne beer, head to Lorelei Biergarten on 7 Rivington Street. Directions: take the J or the Z to Bowery. Head north on Bowery. Turn right at Rivington Street. Or take the F train to 2nd Avenue exit. Walk south on 2nd Avenue. After Houston Street, 2nd Avenue becomes Christie Street. Continue walking south 2 blocks to Rivington Street. Take the B or D to Grand. Head north on Christie. Turn left at Rivington Street. Or take the 6 to Spring Street. Walk east on Spring Street to the Bowery. Turn left on Rivington. Or take the R train to Prince Street. Walk east on Prince Street to the Bowery. Turn right on the Bowery, and the next left is Rivington. Shh.
What's that sound? What's that place? Hush, it's time for Daniela's secret bespoke special spots in the world. Look around, don't make a sound, because it's time for Daniela's secret bespoke special spots in the world.